Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have lay here. I believe that is the first time here on Gordon Guitar, and I believe that is the pronunciation here, lay, what I can see. And this song is called Psychic. Alright, so this is a 4-chord song. We're going to learn that with the capo set on the 2nd fret because that is the easiest chords for us to handle there. So let's take a look at lay's Psychic with capo on 2nd. We're going to start with the first chord, the F. That's a bar chord, so bar the 1st fret with your index finger on all strings. You bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The 2nd chord is E, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. The 3rd chord is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the 4th and final is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Alright, so we're going to learn the strumming pattern now, starting here with F, since that is the 1st chord. And by the way, the chord progression will be in the order we learned the chords. So F, E, A minor, and G. Starting with F, 1 string around will be like this. Okay, so it's first down, clap. Easy, and then you continue with down, up, down, clap, down. Down, up, down, clap, down. And that's it. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. And so on. Alright, so this is an example of strumming you could play. Of course, you can play different strumming patterns. I sometimes get questions, is this actually the strumming pattern? Yeah, you could play this, and that's what I would do. But of course, you can handle the guitar in different ways if it's not like a specific guitar song. Because if it's a guitar song, you can actually hear how the guitar is played in the background, and then you just follow that. Then we have that as a reference. But now we don't have that, so we create a strumming pattern that works for this song. Just wanna mention that. All right, so we're gonna do the chord progression F, E, A minor, and G, and we have 1 strumming pattern per chord, and it goes round and round through the entire song. So let's do that. And so on. So that's that. Sometimes in the last chord, I showed you this in the introduction of the tutorial, you can do some kind of a bass thing going on there. And if you listen to the song, there are different endings here of this chord progression with the G. Sometimes it's just the G. Sometimes there's the bass going on and playing different notes and play around a little bit. And you can do that as well. I showed you 1 example of it. So when you come to this A minor, just before the G, instead of playing G, you can do, and that replaces the G, and then you just go to F and play the strumming pattern. So what you do here is just to hit 1 down on the 5th fret E string, starting there, the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, and then you start at this right timing here with the F strumming a new round tone. So that is 1 example of it. There are a couple of different other basses going on there in this song, but you can listen for it. This is 1. Try to do that, but first learn the strumming, the chords, and then you can work your way. So that pretty much covers lay's Psychic. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.